It's a good day. Meron akong mga candies from Lazada. Tara, let's check it out. Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Matt. So, meron tayong quick unboxing. We have some sponsors from Lazada sending us this item for review or just for simple unboxing. So, tara guys, simulan na natin. So, first, this one. It's a small item. Let's open this up. Okay. So, this is a Spygot multi-threaded screws for cameras which we can use for tripod. Okay. So, magandang item to. So, we can connect, let's say, a head ball on a mini tripod. So, that's very useful. And guys, and tingnan natin itong isang item na to. So this is a head ball. Right. So as I've said, it's just very simple. So this is an undoer head ball, and which I can use for this mini tripod. So before wala siyang head ball and quick release. So but with this one, I can easily connect or add a head ball feature. So ayan guys. So meron na siyang head ball. So this is very useful, especially when creating vlogging. So ayan yung first two items. It's a Spygot and a head ball from Undoer. Yan. Ayan guys, so quick release na siya. So before, this is a Gorilla tripod, pero hindi siya yung Joby na original. So before wala siyang quick release head ball. So I purchased this very cheap, just around 500 pesos I think. So with this head ball, so nagkaroon na siya ng parang tripod feature which is comparable dun sa original Joby product. So ayan, so this is very useful pag nagvi-vlog ka and you need a quick release and head ball. So that's very good. This is a very a good addition. So ayan. So ayan guys, ginamit ko na siya sa Zoom H5 ko to hold my voice recorder. So very useful siya. I can easily connect and disattach using the head ball. So tara guys, buksan na natin to. So as I've said, so far ito yung pinakamalaki kong unboxing coming from Lazada. So let's see kung anong laman. softbox. So yun yung first item. Okay, so this is nice. It's a video light. So magagamit natin to for YouTube videos. Okay, para medyo bright yung videos natin. It's a light stand. So, yun ang laman ng mystery box natin. Yun guys, na-unbox ko na. Let's see this first. This is a Godox video light, particularly an SL60 watts, the white version. So, quick unboxing lang. So, of course, ito yung power adapter, power cable. And ito yung LED video light itself. Okay. Medyo messy lang. Yan. So, ito yung Godox SL60 watts video light. So, magiging useful to for video lights para medyo maliwanag, especially during night time. So, tabi muna natin. And ito pa yung ibang laman niya. Of course, English and remote control. So that's it. And the second one, this is a Godox softbox. Okay, so i-assemble natin. Isang item, this is a light stand para magamit natin yung useful to para magamit natin video light dun sa with the softbox. So, yan guys. So, I'll assemble this and I'll show you how useful these items are. So, ayan guys. I was able to set it up. Medyo hindi ko lang nakuha ng video. Medyo mahirap siyang i-set up. But finally, munti ko nang masira yung softbox. But basically, minount ko muna yung softbox dun sa Godox SL60 watts. 60 watts. And then, diagonal muna yung pag-install ko nito. So, kinabit ko yung rod dito sa dulo, connecting dito sa parang dish bracket, and the other end dito sa kabila naman, and yun naman kabilang dulo. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung Godox SL60 with a stand and a softbox from Godox as well. So there you go. So basically that's it guys. Na set up ko na yung stand together with the Godox SL60 and the softbox. Pagana ko na rin yung remote, so I can turn it on and off. I just need to set the channel. So that's it guys. See you again in my next video. Thank you.